Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, mesarastarr. So I'm out and about shopping today while the Super Bowl is going on. And yeah, so I'm enjoying the less crowded lines. The roads are less busy. So yeah, I'm taking advantage of the Super Bowl, I guess you would say, because there's like not very many people out right now. So I was just in line at CVS and this guy was buying ice, like tons of ice bags. Like, you know, for the Super Bowl, obviously. He was buying 4 bags of the big ice, and he was behind me, and I'm like, you can go ahead of me, because I can see you have ice, and you know, so he had places to go, people to see, right? So I was like letting him go ahead of me because he had ice, and I thought that was funny, because, you know, I had my couponing, and that's where I'm getting to my point, because I didn't want to like take up time and have his ice melt or whatever. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I went to CVS just now, and I am going to head over to the thrift store next, and I'll post another video if I find anything at the Goodwill or thrift store. Either I call it Goodwill thrift store. And so, okay, so let me show you what I got at CVS really quick, and then I'm going to be heading off to my Goodwill. Okay, so I went in because I'm out of, or not out of, I have laundry detergent, but when I get low, I start to feel nervous. So I never want to be like low on laundry detergent. So I needed to get some. So now CVS sent me a $2 off rewards. So I went ahead and came today to CVS, but I also, when I printed out my register or my rewards, however they call it, let me see what they call it. I forget how they name it. CVS, let's see, what do they call those? You know, coupon CVS, I don't even know what they call it, but you know, the ones you print out at the kiosks. So anyway, so I'll show you what I did. I ended up finding, so here's the ad I was like looking at the store. And I ended up finding a deal on, so I went in for laundry detergent, like I said, and I found a deal on Garnier Whole Blends Color Care Shampoo. So, oops, okay, I didn't know if it was backwards, but like I didn't need this, you know what I mean? But I mean, it's always good to have shampoo on hand as well. And so this is a smoothing shampoo by Garnier, and tames and controls frizzy hair. So I picked up this one. And let me see if I can zoom in. And then I picked up the Color Care Shampoo, protects color and reveals radiance. So I'm going to try that for my hair. And I'm going to probably let my older girls use, you know, have this one. So these were, let me look at my deal now. I'm going to show you my coupon. I'm so excited. So these were, okay, so these were originally $4.99, original price was $4.99. Okay, but they were on sale for 2 for $7. Then I had a $3 off Garnier coupon that I had in my loaded on my card, and then when you buy this you get $2 rewards, and I'm like, why don't I do this deal so then I can go back and buy my laundry detergent almost free? So cause see how I had the $2 off laundry detergent deal? That's what I went in for. So I think it was a $2 off laundry. I don't know if it was household or laundry, but I knew it would work for my laundry. So anyway, so I got both of these guys for, let's see, I paid a total of $2.39. So then I got back, okay, I got back a $2 register reward. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks on my receipt. And so it's really cool. So I'll tell you how much overall I paid with doing this like, you know, couponing. So here is, I'm gonna like hold it like this so you guys can see. So my hand shakes sometimes when I do this, so you can see what it was and how it broke down. Okay, so then I was like, cool, you know, like now I have, then it printed me a $2 reward. So then I went back to, and it was a $2 rewards off anything. So okay, I paid $2.39 for both of these. Then I went back and I bought this, which I love this one. This was on sale. I'm so happy because last time I came here it was not on sale. So this was back on sale for $2.99, and it's an incredible deal. It's an incredible value. 64 loads, and it smells so good. So I paid with my $2 rewards 99 cents, and then tax came to, let me look at the next receipt I just paid. So that I paid with that one, I paid $1 after my $2 rewards. I paid $1.22. So with that being said, I mean, it's like the shampoos were free almost. I don't know how, like, it's like such a positive reward, like when I can get such good deals on Do you see how it broke it down? So let me add this up here. My math is horrible. Wow, I just heard a car screeching out. Okay, everything's okay. All right. So $1.22, and then what did I pay before for the other one? It was $2.39. So $2.39, $1.22. That's so less than $4 if my math is right. So less than $4, I got laundry detergent and 2 shampoos. So I'm really excited about it. And I guess I should also look at it like this. What did I save, right? So I saved, the laundry detergent was normally $4.99. So that would have been 5. Let's say I didn't have any coupons. And the shampoo was normally 5 each. So 5, 10, 15. And I paid 4. So I saved 15, 14, 13, 12, $11. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It seems like this stuff should be more than $4.99 originally, because it smells amazing and it does a good job. So, I mean, I'm really happy with this. So I paid $4 for all of this. So basically, like, I feel like I got these for free, and you know, I'm just really happy about this deal. So I mean, less than $4 for all of this. Yes, you know, I'm so happy. So anyway, that is my deal for CVS today, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to head over to the Goodwill, see if I can find any good deals today with the additional color off. You know how they have the different tags on Sunday. And I'll see what I can find. If I find anything good, I'll post a video. And then I'm also going to do a video and post later today of the stuff I got yesterday with my birthday freebies. I'm going to do a video of that. I went to Charm & Charlie and Hallmark. So I'm going to do a video of that, and I'll upload that when I get home. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fabulous Sunday. If you're watching the Super Bowl, that's awesome. Or if you're out and about shopping, that's awesome. But either way, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you guys real soon, okay? Thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye.